In this video, I will show you how to send money from Revolut to Revolut. So in order to send money from your Revolut to a different Revolut account, it's really simple. All you need to do is go down and make sure you have some money in your account, then click transfers in the bottom, then click new in the top right. From here, select Revolut friend. And now here you can either search by a Rev tag, so that's a Revolut tag, add their phone or email, so that's the phone or email that they created the Revolut account with, or you can scan their QR code, so you can find your friend's unique QR code displayed on their profile. Now the one I usually use is the Rev tag, and if you are wondering how you can find the Rev tag, just go and open up the homepage right here, then in the top left click on your initials, and right here under your name you will have your Rev tag. So you can simply click on that, and now you will also see your QR code right here. But just have the person you are sending the money to on Revolut get their Rev tag right here and send it to you, and then you will be able to click transfers, new, Revolut friend, and then search by Rev tag, and then simply go and enter their Rev tag right here, and then they will show up and you can actually choose how much money you want to send to them, and then actually confirm it, and then you have sent the money to a friend on Revolut. So now you know how to send money from Revolut to Revolut. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.